things unboxing for you. So in today's video we're going to be reviewing the action camera, which was extremely cheap, purchased from Amazon. So when I purchased it, when my package came, the packing of this was really bad. The cardboard which was given was completely torn off. So I'll just tell you the main features of this thing, and let's see, is this cheap action camera really worth buying or not. So I'll just take out all the contents. This was in a cover and that tore. So here are some belt kind of things given, maybe for the head strap and all. This is the helmet, the helmet mount. We have some different adapters for this, and we have a bike mount also. So here is the main thing. Here is our camera. Let's take this out. So it comes with a waterproof case which will go underwater until 30 meters. That's what it said, and we'll test it later. So I'll quickly open it. So here is our camera. So at this side it has a very nice rubbery matte finish which feels really good. Only from this side it looks really good. From the other side it is very cheap. So as you can see, on the side you have two buttons. On top you have one button, behind there is one button, and on side you have the port for the SD card and the charging port, and down you have the battery and the speaker. This comes with a 3.7 volt 900 milliampere lithium ion battery, which is very light and kind of weird to see such a light battery. So let's put it back. So I've put it back, and now let's turn it on. So when it turns on, there's a blue light and you get this music if you can hear. So over here there's an indication that the battery is low, so I'll just connect it to my power bank just in case it turns off. So now it's charging, and now when I click on the record button it says no card. So I'm quickly going to insert my SD card. So the SD card will go into the port which is right above the charging port. So as soon as I inserted the SD card, it started recording a video without even clicking the start button. So that might be a drawback of this camera, that once you turn it on, automatically it starts recording. So I'll just stop, and once you stop, when you click on this button, the mode button, it goes to the photography mode. Again you click, it goes to the audio recording. Then the next one shows the videos you have recorded and the photos you have taken, and after that you have again the video. I didn't even click start, but the video again started recording. So if you want to go to next mode, just quickly click the stop and instantly you have to go. If you're late, again it'll start recording. So that's the issue in this camera. So right now I'll show you the mounts and different stuff, then we'll see the videos of this camera. So here we have the bike mount. Let's take out everything. So you get all this. You do that and put it on the handle and screw these things up. Then we have this thing which will be useful while mounting something. We have a holder which we can fix into the tripod, as there is the tripod thing over here. Then we have the helmet mount. So here we get this thing where we'll place the camera, and behind is the double side tape. We stick it on that, and then finally we have the straps. So you can use this to put it in your helmet if it has holes, or mostly you can use it as a head strap or something else. Mounts are not that great, but according to me, I like the waterproof case more than the camera itself. So I'll record a few videos using the bike mount on my cycle, and I'll show it to you, and then we'll also see some photographs which I'm going to click with this. So we'll quickly just see the features. So it has 2 buttons on side to control and 1 button on the top with which you'll be controlling everything. So guys, I just found out one thing. When you're in the photo or video mode and you click the button on the top, it'll just get zoomed. You can see that. When you zoom it, here it'll show 2x. So now I'll put this camera on the bike mount on my cycle, and I'll show you the video which I recorded in this.